Foodies and welcome to Bargain Bag Unboxing. I'm Miss Bargain Bag and I've collected the Aldi Too Good To Go bag tonight. Now let's see what we've got. First up, we've got some Cavolo Nero kale, quite a big bag. And we've got some more kale. So 2 bags of kale. We've also got a chicken, bacon and sweet corn pasta. That looks nice. Nice snack. We've got hummus. Never tried hummus. We've also got some chicken breast slices. Be nice on a sandwich. We've also got a loaf of bread. Extra thick. And we've also got some corned beef slices. Now that would go nice on a sandwich too. Ooh, we've got 2 lots of fish. There, look. 2 lots. We've got 4 jam donuts. I didn't even know Aldi did jam donuts. So that's a nice little find. I'm sure they will taste lovely. And then, last but not least, got 4 jam and cream donuts. They look nice too, look. They look lovely. Nice with a cup of tea. And that's it, that's all we've got. And the Aldi bag, it was £3.30. So to me, I think it was worth it. Just alone with the fish. That'll make a nice fish supper. So, all in all, I'd say it's 7, 8 out of 10 probably. So come back next time and watch us unbox some more bargain bags. You won't be disappointed. So subscribe, like and share with your friends.